Good evening, students. Today we will learn how to solve numericals based on uh, speed versus time graph or distance versus time graph. So before that, we need to know a few concepts. So let's learn those concepts. So as we know, in our syllabus we have a graph which is of three kinds: displacement versus time graph, velocity versus time graph, and acceleration versus time graph. This is known to you, this is known to all of us because I have already uploaded a video related to these three graphs. Let us say a graph is given to us in a question which is distance versus time graph. Say this is a distance versus time graph. It is in meter and it is in second, and the graph is like this, and in the question it is asked what is velocity, and we have to calculate from this graph only. So what all we will have to do, let us name this graph. This is O, this is M, and we have to draw a perpendicular line and we make a triangle OMN. This is N. So the main objective is to calculate velocity. The formula of calculating velocity from distance versus time graph is, we need to make a triangle, and the formula is perpendicular by base. In this triangle, this is perpendicular, this is base, so our velocity will be Mn, means perpendicular, Mn by base. Base is On. This is our N, On. Why perpendicular by base? Because in our perpendicular side we have displacement, and in the base side we have time. So we know velocity equals to displacement by time. So displacement is perpendicular because displacement is in y-axis and time is in x-axis, that is base. So that's why perpendicular by time. This will give you velocity. So we have calculated velocity from distance versus time graph. Now how to calculate acceleration from velocity versus time graph? So let us draw a diagram. This is velocity, meter per second, and this is time, that is in second. This is velocity time graph. Again we have to draw a triangle. Let us name OMN. So formula of acceleration will be, again, velocity by time, because we know acceleration is change in velocity divided by time, that is acceleration. Change in velocity is velocity only, but we have velocity in y-axis, so perpendicular by base. So change in velocity means velocity, that is velocity is in our y-axis, that is perpendicular, and time is in base, so B. So what is perpendicular here? Mn. And what is base here? On. So from this graph we can say we have calculated acceleration. We have calculated acceleration from velocity versus time graph. In both the cases you can see that in first graph we have calculated velocity from distance versus time graph. So we have gone in this side, and in the second graph we have calculated acceleration from velocity versus time graph. Again we have moved to our right side, and in both the cases we have done perpendicular versus base. Here also perpendicular versus base. So when we will be shifting from left to right, we will be dividing perpendicular with base. We will get our answer. And in the other case, say we have a graph of velocity versus time, and the graph is like this only. Let us name it O, M, and it is N. Now the question is, what is displacement? What is displacement? Now look at the chart. In this chart we can say this graph is given to us in our question and they are asking displacement. So now we are heading in this direction. Clear? So in order to calculate displacement from this graph, we will be calculating the area of the diagram we have drawn, this area. So as this is a triangle, so we will calculate area of triangle OMN. So that is half into base into height or perpendicular, or we can say half into base is ON and perpendicular is MN. So while the question is from velocity versus time graph, you have to calculate displacement, so you are heading towards your left, so that means you will be calculating area. So while we will be going in this direction, we will be dividing our perpendicular with base, and while we will be moving in this side, we will be calculating the area of the diagram. Now I have already written few numericals, and also I have written the chart so that it is easy for us to understand. So first question is this graph. This is a displacement versus time graph. This value is given and the question is calculate velocity. So from displacement versus time graph, calculate velocity means we are heading this side, so we have to divide perpendicular by base. So let us name it O, M, N. This is our perpendicular, this is our base. So simply velocity will be perpendicular by base. Our perpendicular value is 20 and our base value is 10, so it is 2, and unit of velocity is meter per second. Done. This is the answer. Next, displacement versus time graph given and the question is calculate velocity. Same thing, displacement versus time graph given, calculate the velocity. That means again same question, we are heading towards our right, that means perpendicular by base. So initial point and final point, draw a triangle. Initial point and final point, draw a triangle. In this case also we have drawn a triangle between initial and final point. Here also we will be drawing a triangle between initial and final point. Let us name it, that is M, N and P. So we know here we have to calculate velocity, so velocity will be perpendicular by base. So what is perpendicular from this graph? We can understand this value NP divided by base, that is MP. What is NP value? This much. NP value is total value minus this much, that is 20 minus 10, that is 10 only, and MP value is 5. So answer is 2. Unit will be meter per second because we have calculated velocity. Third question is calculate acceleration from velocity versus time graph. calculate acceleration from velocity versus time graph. Now velocity versus time graph is given and we need to calculate acceleration. So again we are going in our right side, that means perpendicular divided by base. So let us name it OMN, and this is our perpendicular, this is our base. So acceleration will be perpendicular by base. What is our perpendicular? Perpendicular is MN. What is our base? Base is ON. What is MN value? MN value clearly it is 20. What is ON value? ON value is 10. So unit is 2. And unit you will be given the unit of acceleration, that means meter per second square. Clear? Two more numericals I have written here. Next is velocity versus time graph given, and the question is calculate displacement. Okay, so the graph, let us draw the chart here. We know the chart is like displacement versus time graph, velocity versus time graph, and acceleration versus time graph. Now here the question is calculate displacement from which graph? Velocity versus time graph. Velocity versus time graph given. So we can see velocity versus time graph given, we need to calculate displacement. So we are heading towards left. That means area. So let us calculate the area, initial point, final point, M and N. Then draw a triangle, shade it, and this shaded region area we have to calculate it. So we just have to calculate the area of this triangle. So we will write area of triangle OMN, that is half into base ON into height MN. Half into base is what? 10 and MN is 30. So simply cut 5, 150 meter. Why meter? Because we are calculating displacement. So unit will be in meter. And this is very important, last one. A graph is given. This is also velocity versus time graph, and the question is calculate displacement. So simply here velocity versus time graph given and we need to calculate displacement. So it is heading towards left, that means area. So we need to calculate the area of the whole thing, because this is our initial point, this is our final point, and this is our figure. So you need to shade the whole area. So simply OMNP, if this is the name of this shape, this is a shape of trapezium. So we have to calculate the area of the trapezium. So area will be, we know area of a trapezium equals to half into summation of parallel side. So these and these are parallel sides, these are not parallel sides, so these are parallel sides. So summation of parallel side, that means MN plus OP into distance between parallel side, that means perpendicular distance between parallel side, this thing. So we can write this value is how much? This value is 20. So we can write 20. So half, what is MN value? MN value is similar to this much. So this is 15 minus 5. This is 15 minus 5 is this much only. So this value is 10 plus OP. OP total value is 20. So 20 into 20. Cut, it is 10. And 20 plus 10 is 30 into 10 equals to 300. So this is the answer. Unit will be meter because we are calculating displacement. Thank you very much.